Hey guys, crypto episode 69. Little bit of a choppy week this week, but ended up 3,000 up. Just sort of looking at the graph, it's sort of trickled up earlier in the week and then took a big drop. And then sort of towards the end of the week, options expiry, sort of at the end of the month, as you always have. It's a little bit sort of uneasy, but yeah, hoping for sort of good things going into a new month tomorrow. So not a huge amount of news. Kraken sort of reporting that this month's gain has been sort of down to whales. They call them whales. I sort of always thought people call whales holders with 1,000 or more, but they're saying holders with 100 Bitcoin or more have been driving this gain, according to their exchange at least. So, yeah, maybe they know something we don't, or we'll see if the sort of smaller investors and the retail investors are going to follow. So, yeah, just an interesting little sort of tidbit. Looking at the portfolio then, so Bitcoin slightly down, dropping a little bit today, but up on the week 1%, so a little bit flat. Ethereum done a little bit better, 5%, just over 5%. So that's been doing well, just about all-time highs. Cardano still lagging, 8% down this week, but we stay patient on this one. Still a little bit slow development compared to the others, but yeah, I think they can do well. OMG about 6% down, nearly 6.5% down. It took its drop earlier in the week with everything else. Litecoin still lagging everything else pretty much, 1.8%. XRP 4.5% up, not too bad. Still waiting for the lawsuit news. XLM 1.3%, that's fine. One of the big movers for the week, Basic Attention Token, nearly 60% up on the week. Seems to be on no news whatsoever. Been searching for sort of something that would have caused this, but I guess it's just big buyers or sort of a bit of a supply shock or something, leverage maybe. Might not be permanent, but we'll take it for now. Tron 0.6%, so that's pretty flat. Minu Cypher still hasn't come back, 17% down for the week, but yeah, I'll see where this can go. EOS pretty sort of stagnant, 6.8% down. Power Ledger pretty flat. Dash 7% down. Internet Computer, I've stopped adding to this for now. £32.20 now, so it's pretty much sort of where I'd been buying. That's flat for the week. I think I probably will leave that for now. That'll be my total buy. Anchor also sort of having a hell of a run just today. So that's now 84% for the week, but is basically sort of almost all of that in the last few hours. So I wouldn't have thought that's a huge amount of news. That's probably just it being a small cap. Doesn't take a lot to move. Band pretty flat. Quantstamp flat as well. Cocos 24% up for the week. Always shows 0 on here, but yeah, not too bad for the week. And then yes, so audio or Audius, sort of eyeing up a move into this. Got about £500 to spend on something, stocks or crypto, and Audius sort of seems to be possibly a good move. Sort of, it's been much higher as sort of going in a sort of a triangle formation, if you like, sort of an equal triangle lower highs and higher lows. Could be sort of working up to a reasonable move up back towards all-time highs. If you haven't heard of it, it's a sort of decentralized streaming platform. It's got about 4 million monthly users, so sort of obviously room to grow, but yeah, it's had investment from a load of sort of big names, Katy Perry and people like that. So yeah, I think it's got potential, sort of nearly £1 billion market cap. So there's obviously dozens of sort of projects larger than that, which I would argue have less adoption. Obviously, then you've got the meme coins sort of at 40, 50 times that. So yeah, I think something with sort of real potential has got room to run. So might be putting my 500 quid in this shortly. I think I have to open a crypto.com wallet for it. So yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.